Nadine Wilkins here, and my topic for today is how to build your business online in 30 days or less. Now, I know you may be thinking, Nadine, how is that possible? I don't have many friends on social media. Nobody knows who I am. I've built my business face-to-face, in person. How is it possible for me to build my business online in 30 days or less? I'm here to tell you, if you are waiting for things to go back to normal, I'm here to tell you that things are not going to go back to normal, right? Like, things have shifted, things have changed. And if you have not began to, meet your target client online and to build your business online, now is the time. You don't have time to play around. Now's the time to begin to build your business online. So how can you do that? Well, you're going to need a system in order for you to make that happen. See, the one thing that you want to do, the one thing that all businesses need, right? New customers, new clients, right? And also more revenue and more income. So how are you going to do that? You don't have to be stuck doing things the old way. There's so much new technology today that allows you to build your business more efficiently, right? And all online. So if you've not considered building your business online at this point, you're kind of just sitting around and waiting for things to go back to normal. I'm here to tell you that they are not. And you need to put things in place so that you can build your business online. And if you're not sure how to do that and you're not techie and you don't know anyone on social media, I'm here to tell you those are not barriers to you building your business online. So if you want to learn more about how you can attract clients on demand and build your business online and build a rock solid business 100% online, definitely check out my new case study video. You can check it out on my website, workwithnadine.com, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care and God bless.